right there?
Yeah, they're getting help. They're getting them out.
See, they're not going there because we'll be in their way.
Yeah, no, you don't want to go through that. Look at this. This is crazy. Hello, who's this? Hey, Nicole. It's Jeff calling. How's it going? I know, I can't get back. Yeah, it looks that way. Yeah. No way. It came up that fast because when I left at 11:45, it wasn't even over it. Oh, that. You see, look at that one. Look at this.
Oh, nice. Beautiful.
No.
Too bad we have cars. Do we have any cars behind us?
No.
I know. God, that's a lot of water. If you were to step in that, you would be sucked away immediately. Mom, hey Mom, want to go step in that?
No, thank you.
Nicholas, want to go step in that? Madison wants to. She's our guest. Go on, Madison. Go on.
Are you done?
Sure. Yeah. I don't think Mom's ready.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Stop videotaping.
Wait, don't put it away yet, though.
Stop videotaping. Oh, nice job.
I wondered how the street was above the road.
Oh, Dad, some of the road's gone. Oh, that's fortunate.
Here, Matthew. I'm on Muddy Lane. Kind of washed out road. Oh, car coming. I'm in the middle of the road, so I have to go now.
I feel kind of bad right now. Well, no, I don't feel bad about making a video, but I feel bad for them. I feel bad for myself if he gets me wet. I feel bad for him later when I find him and kill him. We're filming now in front of everyone else. Thank you, Hurricane Irene. Thank you for one of the worst floods probably in Vermont history. I would say this is going to go down in the history books. I would say so myself. Oh, the poor golf course. Oh my God! What the heck is that? Hey, Dad, did you see there's like a boat or a car right there and it's just banged up.
What is that?
Yeah? I know, Mom, come here. Mom, come here. There's something it's like a boat. I don't know what that is.
Trailer, Matthew.
Oh. Nicholas, there's a banged up trailer.
Oh, you know what it is? It was the road company.
What?
The people who were paving the road.
Right there? What? I don't see you. Jesus Christ. Madison, shut the heck up.
Go in front of me.
Where's Nicholas? I don't know. Looks like a bunch of fucking off the bridge.
Well, you know, I don't even welcome. came home, this was totally
Wow.
empty. There was no
Hold on.
water here.
Oh,
Somebody behind you?
Giuseppe. Yeah, he said the same.
No water here when we came home.
Yeah, no.
And when I came back at 1 o'clock,
I thought you meant the other baseball field, like by the golf course.
I don't want to talk to you later.
You can just send it a voicemail.
I didn't even know you were working.
All right, you done?
Yep.
What's this place?
Michelle.
That's the dining room right there.
I appreciate that. I thought that was an alligator for a second, but no, that's just a piece of wood.
We're in Vermont. There are no alligators here.
I know.
Wow. That's huge.
I know.
And he's like, I didn't even know there was water there. Oh, look at the
Poor little shed.
Look at the barn in the back.
I know.
The doors.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness. There was a dumpster.
Oh,
How are they going to get rid of all the water?
it just goes away.
You gotta wait.
Poor Michelle.
Who's Michelle?
Who's the guy who owns it.
I'm pretty Michelle. Okay.
Who's sitting in that
Whoa,
truck
look next to you, Mom.
What's that?
What if
He's
we
sitting
go
in the truck
overboard?
behind us, I believe.
Overboard.
That's
Hopefully he has like insurance that'll cover this.
yeah, I'm sure he does, but that's a long, thank God it's the end of summer, I guess. We gotta find the,
It's just before Labor Day.
yeah.
Actually, don't even kill her. Alright, we're moving on. That's it. We're done. We're going home.
Yes.
Everyone's satisfied.
Let's go buy a Dalton Town.
No, we're not going by Dalton's house. Because did you not just hear what I said? Auntie Di said they're stuck in their houses. Okay? So no, we're not going to go. What?
I know what he's talking about. He doesn't want to drive down.
I don't want to
Dalton's
drive
Road.
down the road. I want to go past that. There's a
Well,
river.
I bet we couldn't even get past it. I bet you can't get past the train tracks there, is what I would think. I am probably right. But,
If you want to check off of Barnumville, that's fine. We're not going down the dirt road.
no.
I ain't gonna go down the dirt road anyway.
This just sucks. Sad and I know. Thank you, Hurricane Irene. I say once again.
That's terrible. That's not a good. This is a bad.
I know that. I was saying thanks sarcastically. It's like destroyed. Oh, there's the mountain.
Yeah. There's where it all ended up.
Found it.
Yeah, you just can't go through.
It looks like parts of the railroad
those
was like,
railroad tracks
yeah,
right
they
there?
were lifted up.
Looked like they were bent.
Yeah, some of it was lifted up and some of it was like thrown away. Not gonna be trains over there for a while.